This is a used 2008 Jeep Patriot, powered by four-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include heated steering wheel, heated seats, digital audio input, alloy rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, roof rails, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.